Hi, I'm Elizabeth Hill-Scott from Britpolitics.co.uk. Let's get started. On the 18th of June 1940, Prime Minister Winston Churchill told the British people, "The Battle of France is over. The Battle of Britain is about to begin." 4 days later, France surrendered, and Adolf Hitler wanted Britain to be next. He began work on Operation Sea Lion. Britain was an island. Hitler couldn't just roll the tanks in. To successfully cross the Channel, he had to control the skies above her. So, from July to October 1940, the powerful German Luftwaffe attempted to destroy the Royal Air Force. It was the first major battle to take place entirely in the air. Both sides suffered heavy losses of men and machinery, not to mention casualties on the ground, as day after day they met and battled in the skies. By September, Hitler had turned his attention to taking on the Soviet Union, and we all know how that turned out. The Germans' failure to win the battle was one of the major turning points of the Second World War. It prevented Germany from invading Britain and showed the Allies that Hitler's might was not invincible. Thanks for watching, and if you take a look at Britpolitics.co.uk, you'll find hundreds of resources to help you learn about British politics and history. Plus, I cover writing, revision, motivation and exam tips. There's lots of links in the description below, and you can mostly find me on Instagram at Elizabeth_Britpolitics. Bye for now.